Vocabulary. We're going to place the check mark over the correct area of a rectangle with the base of 3 inches and a height of 3/4 inches. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're first going to take a look at, well, we have an area of a rectangle. So rectangle is the area equals base times height. So it tells us that we have a base of 3 and a height of 3/4. So we're going to take that 3 and we're going to multiply it by 3/4. We can always put a 1 under the 3 to make that whole number into a fraction. Now what we have to do is multiply straight across. So when you multiply straight across, 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And then 1 times 4 is going to be 4. Now we have 9/4. You can either put in your calculator or you can think of, well, if I have 9/4, you can divide that. So if you do 9 divided by 4, you'll get 2 and then some change. So you'll get $2 if you think of like 4 quarters. If you split 9 into 4, you'll get 2 whole dollars and then you'll get 25 cents. So when you divide that, you will get 2 and 25 hundredths. So 2.25, which will be this orange one. And that is it for the vocab. Great job.